Is Funnel Builder Secrets worth it? Well, let's find out together. So, Funnel Builder Secrets is a brand new offer from Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's analyze it together. So you will get ClickFunnels 2.0 Funnel Hacker yearly plan, and that's the best ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Let me show you inside look if you don't have the account yet. So it's pretty amazing, many new features in comparison to old ClickFunnels account. Like here in the sales, for example, there will be conversations, appointments, rep management, phone calls, lead scoring, all kinds of cool stuff. Then you will also get ClickFunnels Classic for 12 months that you can put on maintenance mode, so you don't lose any of your previous funnels and any of your work. And then of course you get access to Funnel Builder Secrets course. Then you get access to Geru Pro account, lifetime access, where you can calculate the profitability of your funnel and the return on your investment if it's worth it. And you will also get funnel script software to help you with copywriting, so you don't have to hire an expensive copywriter, and have a software that will help you write a high converting copy. And then access to 2 Club Live. Now if you pay just for ClickFunnels Funnel Hacker account, which is $297 per month and times 12, this is over $3,500 per year. So, and this package you can get only for $1,997. So it's already a huge steal, and so that makes this offer absolutely worth it. And even if you pay for cheaper accounts, this offer is just the most irresistible offer Russell Brunson's created. And if you want to get it before it's gone, I will put the link below description, and I will get a small commission from that, but I will give you special bonuses that will help you succeed with ClickFunnels 2.0 that I'm gonna talk about right now. If you already have ClickFunnels 2.0 account, make sure that you copy and paste the link in incognito window to make sure that you receive all bonuses and my support for the next 12 months. And that will also help support this channel so I can keep producing awesome content for you. Now let's talk about those bonuses that you will receive from me when you use the link in description or in the comments. So after I saw this offer, I wanted to make it a no-brainer. If you already have ClickFunnels 1.0, I will help you transfer your funnels to 2.0. You don't have to struggle with it. I will help you import your ClickFunnels 1.0 referrals, so you don't lose those monthly recurring commissions, that passive income. Then I'll also help you get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers, or if you are already there, I will help you 10x it in the next 12 months. Then if you have courses, I will help you transfer it from Kajabi, Teachable, or any other platform to ClickFunnels 2.0, so you have everything under one platform and can focus on your business. Now, if you don't have any course yet, I will help you create one from scratch. And you also get weekly group coaching to help you crush it on ClickFunnels 2.0 platform, so you get that accountability and have a guidance. You'll get access to ClickFunnels 2.0 mastery course that I created, so you can master ClickFunnels 2.0 quickly. This is gonna be a shortcut to your success. And private community to keep you accountable, to make sure that you take action and become wildly successful with your business on this new platform. And guys, all of this just one-time payment, $1,997. So if you want to take advantage of this before this offer is gone, click the link below in the comments or in description and grab it right now. Don't forget to put it in, to just copy and paste the link in incognito window if you already have ClickFunnels 2.0 account. If you just want to test drive ClickFunnels 2.0 account, I will put link below as well, where you can get extended 30-day trial and see if you like the platform and want to stay long term, and you can get the package later. Now I would love to know what is your number one question about ClickFunnels 2.0 bonuses, or you can just ask me about anything you want below in the comments and I will get back to you. I reply to everyone. Like the video, and now you can watch this next one about ClickFunnels 2.0. I'll see you there. Hey, I'm Mario, and if you want to start or grow your business from anywhere, please subscribe so I can help you live a life beyond your wildest dreams.